Very good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good
How
morning.
are you, sir?
I am very fine, sir.
You are welcome to Om Shanti Ashram.
Sir.
Sir, you are a thinker and philosopher. Always you like to teach people with some novel thoughts. Today, what is your beautiful thoughts that you want to share with us?
Should we do the argument?
Okay, argument. Okay. Okay, sir. See what happens. Arguments. There is two words. One is argument, other is discussion. And they are two contradictory, poles apart. Like I have been director and chairman and so many GM of different companies. We always discuss with our problems. That is called brainstorming. What is that called?
Brainstorm.
Because a lot of people have a lot of ideas. We should not think that a show floor person will be not knowing the solution of a problem, and only chairman can know the problem. As I am a student of Andrew Carnegie Napoleon Hill, so I tell you there was one man called Charles Schwab. When he was working in the shop floor as a laborer, and there was some report submitted, then Andrew Carnegie has different idea and different solution of that problem. But that boy who was just a shop floor worker, he came and told Mr. Andrew Carnegie, you are wrong. This is the right solution. That is called discussion, brainstorming. Anybody can have better opinion than yourself. One day you said, na, Einstein has a cat and it gives 4 kittens birth. So he invited a carpenter and told, drill 4 holes. And the carpenter was surprised. Why, sir? 4 holes. He told, now see, there was only 1 cat, now it has got 3 kittens, so there should be 4. You see? The carpenter started laughing. He told, what is the need of 4 doors? All can go one by one from the same hole. So what I mean, discussion gives you some kind of better solution of your problems. It doesn't mean that you are the biggest post holder, you are the wisest. No, everyone is wise. But those who are wise, who are thinking. Because the real strength of a human being is the brain. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve for you. But what you conceive is a fundamental thing. If you conceive pure thoughts, like I am a yogi, Pandit Fakir Yogi, yogi, I always emphasize on purity of thoughts. That is our Patanjali Yoga Sutra or Buddha Yoga Sutra. They are only teaching all truth. What is that? All truth. Truth is gravity. It never deviates. And truth never fails. Truth only triumphs. Because it is from universe. Universe will not fail. But whatever deviation comes from the truth, it will always fail. Because you have already taken a wrong track. That's why what all the greatest say, thought in the mind has made us. What we are by thought was wrought and built. If a man's mind has evil thought, pain comes to him always, sorrow, suffering, because it has deviated from the truth. Greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. And on the contrary, a man who is godly and divine is not godly and divine by just some chance, artifice or luck. It is because of his pure thoughts. What is pure thought? Yama niyama. Ahimsa, satyasta, brahmacharya, swaksha, santosa, tattva, swadhyaya. Truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. Kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation, sympathy, understanding, keen sense of justice, unwavering courage, perfect decision making, having the perfect plan of action, going always extra mile, not playing any blame game. If they have done wrong, they accept instantly I have done wrong. So that is called discussion. Discussion is a sign of intellectual giants. They discuss every problem. That's why review meeting is here. But now come to the other part. Arguments. You see the TV debates going on every time. They are arguing. All lies. I don't watch that debates because all are liars. Simply they are the gift of the gab. They know how to speak. So they all talk lies and wrongs and try to underrate others. That is argument. Ultimately indulge in beating, hitting, murdering, massacring, killing, because the foundation of lies is destruction. So if you see anybody is arguing, he or she the greatest fool on earth ever born. I can strongly tell you they are son of the bitch. They don't deserve to be human beings. They are cattle. Like see, 2 dogs are fighting. They are self, and when self is obstructed, they indulge in arguing, and arguing ultimately makes them mad. The sense stops working, They lose their wits and ends and they become cruel monsters and they kill, murder, massacre. Manifestation is World War I and II. This was argument for selfish granting. Ultimately, if your self is hurt, hit, beat, argue, and then go for nuclear weapons and then kill and massacre. So please, Dr. Satnarayan, you are the wisest man I have seen. You have faced a lot of people, different attitude. They have abused you, insulted you, but you smiled and went away. Buddha said, silence and smile is the ultimate wisdom. I tell you my own example. I married to a girl who was just illiterate and educated, and I forced her to become doctorate from IIT Kharagpur. Still remain the same thing because she don't have her own attitude and intuition and inspiration to improve herself. She argues. She argues and argues. Anything you tell, argue. Why should do this? Why not this? Why do this? Why do this? I tell you one small film I saw. And I don't remember that clearly, but just I tell you few points. Husband is telling, you go there. Then she telling, why I should go there? You are always going there. I told, I need you there. I told, you don't need me there. You have a lot of girlfriends. You take your girlfriends. He told, how do you know that I have a girlfriend? He told, I know that you have a girlfriend. I know you have a girlfriend. I told, I have no girlfriends. Argument has started. I told, I will kill you. Why you will kill me? I will also kill you. And I will drink your blood. I told her, you only drink tea and coffee. Why you want to develop a new habit? Just for no reason, you see the argument. She telling, you always drink tea and coffee, I serve you. Now why you want to drink my blood? How foolish. That's why in Hindi said, Chhari man hari dum khanke sang. जाके संग कुबुध उपजते हैं परत भजन में भंग सूरदास की काली कामरी चढ़त न दूजो रंग छारी मन हरि दुखों के संग. And as you are a master of desiderator, what he said, avoid loud and aggressive persons, they are vexatious to the spirit. But as far as possible, without surrender, try to make good terms with every human being. Om Shanti. Yeah, अच्छा हुआ.